The Sikorsky CH-53K King Stallion is a heavy-lift helicopter that is considered to be one of the most powerful and capable aircraft of its kind. It's designed to meet the need of the United States Marine Corps for a helicopter that can transport heavy equipment, supplies, and troops in even the most challenging environments.
So the CH-53K is the state-of-the-art heavy-lift helicopter for the entire Department of Defense. It has 20% more lift than our previous predecessor, the CH-53 Echo, and it can also lift much more weight than the Echo could. So our max gross weight when we're doing external lifts is 88,000 pounds, and we can lift loads up to 36,000 pounds, which is much easier to do in this aircraft than what the Echo was available.
The King Stallion is a true behemoth with a length of 99 feet, a height of 28 feet, and a rotor diameter of 79 feet. It has an impressive maximum gross weight of 88,000 pounds and can carry up to 36,000 pounds of cargo internally or up to 27,000 pounds externally. These figures make it one of the largest and the most capable helicopters in the world. It's capable of transporting larger and heavier loads than any other heavy-lift helicopter.
Echo and Kilo, it's obviously a very large helicopter. It's approximately 100 feet by 100 feet, which is, I equate it to a semi. So it's like flying semi essentially in the air, just to get a picture of how big this thing is. When you're sitting in the cockpit, you obviously cannot see everything behind you. So it's a very crew-oriented aircraft. We rely heavily on our crew chiefs and our aerial observers in the back to help us safely land this large of helicopter.
Its power and performance capabilities are truly impressive. It's powered by 3 General Electric T408 GE400 engines, which provide a total of 7,500 horsepower. This allows the helicopter to fly at speeds of up to 170 miles per hour and climb to altitudes of over 14,000 feet. It also has a range of up to 460 nautical miles, which means it can transport troops and equipment over long distances without the need for refueling. Compared to other helicopters in its class, the CH-53K King Stallion is unmatched in terms of power and performance. It's capable of carrying almost twice the weight of the previous CH-53E model, which was already a heavy-lift helicopter in its own right. The CH-53K can also fly in hotter, higher, and more challenging environments than any other heavy-lift helicopter, making it a valuable asset in a variety of mission scenarios.
The missions that the CH-53K is able to do are 2 primary: is combat assault transport and then the external lift. For the combat assault transport, what that is we will take up to 30 fully loaded Marines and able to insert them into a zone in a timely and safely manner where they don't have to risk going in via convoy. We can take them airborne and cut the time drastically at the time that they're in enemy engagement zone, essentially.
The CH-53K has already been used in a number of missions that showcase its impressive capabilities. For example, it was used to transport a CH-53E Super Stallion helicopter from California to Arizona, which is a distance of over 700 miles. This required the CH-53K to fly at high altitudes and in hot temperatures, which it did with ease. The helicopter has also been used to transport heavy equipment and supplies to remote locations, such as mountainous regions and desert environments. In these scenarios, the CH-53K's power and performance capabilities have been crucial in allowing it to complete its mission safely and efficiently. In addition to its impressive power and performance capabilities, the CH-53K King Stallion also has advanced technology that sets it apart from other helicopters in its class. It has fly-by-wire flight controls, which use electronic signals to control the aircraft, rather than traditional mechanical linkages. This makes the helicopter more responsive and easier to control, especially in challenging flying conditions. The fly-by-wire system also improves safety by automatically stabilizing the helicopter in the event of a pilot error or mechanical failure. The CH-53K also features a digital cockpit that is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics systems. This cockpit includes 4 large multifunction displays that provide pilots with critical information such as engine performance, fuel levels, and flight controls. It also has a helmet-mounted display that allows pilots to see their flight instruments without having to look down at the cockpit. Another advanced technology used in the CH-53K is its composite rotor blades. These blades are lighter and stronger than traditional metal blades, which means that they can generate more lift and operate more efficiently. The composite blades also reduce the helicopter's weight, which allows it to carry more payload. The CH-53K's high payload capacity of 36,000 pounds of cargo internally, or 27,000 pounds externally, has been critical in a number of missions where heavy equipment and supplies need to be transported to remote locations. For example, it has been used to transport military vehicles, construction equipment, and even entire buildings to remote locations in Afghanistan. The helicopter's ability to carry such heavy loads in challenging environments has made it an invaluable asset to the military. The Sikorsky CH-53K King Stallion is also one of the safest helicopters in the world. It's equipped with a range of advanced safety features that make it more reliable and efficient during missions, ensuring the safety of both the crew and the payload. One of the key safety features of the CH-53K is its crashworthy design. The helicopter is designed to absorb and dissipate energy in the event of a crash, protecting the crew and passengers from serious injuries. The cockpit is also reinforced with armor plating to protect the crew from small arms fire and shrapnel. In addition to its crashworthy design, the CH-53K also has a range of systems that improve its safety during flights. For example, the helicopter is equipped with a health and usage monitoring system, or HUMS, that continuously monitors the helicopter's performance and detects any potential problems before they become serious issues. This system allows maintenance crews to address issues before they become a safety concern. The CH-53K also has an advanced obstacle avoidance system that uses radar and sensors to detect potential hazards in the helicopter's flight path. This system alerts the crew to any potential obstacles and provides them with guidance to avoid collisions. The obstacle avoidance system has proven to be invaluable during missions in challenging environments, such as mountainous regions. Another safety feature of the CH-53K is its Digital Automatic Flight Control System, or DAFCS, which allows the helicopter to fly more precisely and safely. This system uses advanced sensors and GPS to provide the pilot with real-time information on the helicopter's position and orientation. The DAFCS also provides automatic stabilization in the event of turbulence or other unexpected changes in the flight path. The King Stallion's enhanced safety features have already proven their worth in a range of missions. For example, the helicopter was used to transport a team of Navy SEALs during a mission to rescue hostages in Somalia. The helicopter was able to fly through hostile airspace and land in a remote location thanks to its advanced safety systems. The importance of the CH-53K in military and heavy lift operations cannot be overstated. Its ability to transport larger and heavier loads than any other helicopter in its class makes it a critical asset in a range of mission scenarios. Whether it's transporting military vehicles, construction equipment, or entire buildings to remote locations, the CH-53K is up to the task. The CH-53K's advanced safety features make it an invaluable asset in mission-critical situations where safety is of the utmost importance. The helicopter's ability to fly through hostile airspace, land in remote locations, and transport personnel and supplies safely and efficiently is a testament to its capabilities and the advanced technology that powers it. Overall, the Sikorsky CH-53K King Stallion sets the standard for power, performance, technology, and safety in modern military aircraft. Its dominance in the sky is a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the engineers who designed it. As technology continues to evolve and new challenges arise, the CH-53K will undoubtedly continue to play a crucial role in military and heavy lift operations, ensuring the safety and success of missions both at home and abroad. For those interested in the latest in aviation technology and capabilities, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this.
It's very exhilarating to fly, so the sense of pride is just pretty big.